Can I taste it? Can I taste it?
You can, I guess.
Okay, give me a bite.
You want some shrimp?
Yeah, give me a piece of shrimp. I know you try to be stingy with that shrimp. With that scrimp. Give me, oh, that's a big old bite. Mmm. 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 To attempt to make some keto shrimp and grits, okay? Keto shrimp and grits. I'm gonna use cauliflower, so it's not really grits. I never made this before, but I'm going to give it a try. All right, so as you saw, I cooked my bacon already. I'm gonna cut the bacon up. You don't have to cook your bacon in the oven first. Let me bring this down. You don't have to cook your bacon in the oven first, but I did because I was doing something else. So let's just chop up our bacon here. It's easier just to slice your bacon up before but like I said, I was doing something else. So, all right, bacon's cut up. Now I'm going to boil my cauliflower, and the cauliflower that I bought, let me get off of this bacon. The cauliflower, I'll show you guys the cauliflower that I bought. That's gonna be our grits, okay? That's gonna be our grits. Hold on. All right, I have this cauliflower floret. How you say it? Florets, cauliflower, florets. I'm gonna use this, and this is gonna be our grits. I have some Argentine shrimp here. And we went out to eat last night for date night, yay! But I'm gonna use that, we ordered a crab cake to go, so I wanna use that in these shrimp and grits. A fake shrimp and grits, whatever you wanna call it. All right, I have our cauliflower and some water, okay? And I'm going to add some garlic powder, probably about one teaspoon of garlic powder, some black pepper, it's about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and I use a 0.10 ounce bag of cauliflower. I didn't tell y'all the size of it. All right. And some salt, a little bit of salt. Ooh, that's a lot. We ain't gonna put all that in there. Probably about 1/2 teaspoon as well. Okay, so 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. If we need more salt, we can always add, but you can't take away, okay? You can't take away. All right, I am preheating my air fryer for my shrimp. So I don't know if you guys preheat your air fryer. Sometimes I do. So I'm preheating. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my air fryer down with some olive oil. This is light olive oil in here. It says olive oil, but I'm gonna spray it down with some light olive oil. Okay, and I'm gonna place my shrimp in there, and I'm gonna season them just on one side. I'm gonna season them very well on one side, okay? All right, I can't move this over where you can see where I've sprayed it, but give me a second and I will, and I'm gonna place the shrimp in. All right, this is our crab cake from last night. Oh, I forgot. I had these roasted garlic with my steak last night. I didn't hardly eat anything, but I'm gonna use some of this roasted garlic in our cauliflower fake grits, okay? Y'all know I love garlic, right? I'm gonna eat one of these. I already ate one, but I'm gonna eat one on camera. I'm gonna eat one. I got another one of these, so I have plenty. I love garlic. Garlic breath, garlic breath. All right, I've checked the cauliflower. It is ready. Turn my. Let me see. You guys can see. Cauliflower is nice and fork tender. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm telling you it's nice and fork tender. I'm going to drain the cauliflower. Here it is. I drained the water off. Look how nice and soft that is. Gonna put some butter and other stuff in there, okay? All right, our shrimp is ready. Give it a stir. They're all nice and done. See, seasoning on one side was good enough. Okay, we're gonna go back to our cauliflower. We're gonna add a little heavy cream, our butter, the garlic in there, the crab. You're gonna mix that all up. Then you're gonna put your cheese in there. You're gonna give it a mix, making it all nice and creamy. There's that cheese. Now we're gonna stir that up. Look how that's mixing so nice. All right, put it in a bowl. Gonna top it with our shrimp and butter. There's that rest of that crab, some more cheese, and I'll put it in the microwave and nooked it just a little bit because I wanted my cheese to look pretty and melted. Put that bacon on top. And there you have it. You guys got to try this out. Thank you.